Hi everybody, this is Belinda Allen with another tiny tip for you. Yesterday I had the pleasure of hanging out with the Nashville Modern Excel and Power BI user group, and we were talking about Q&As. We all put our minds together and figured out something really cool when you're using Power BI Q&A. So here I have a sales report, and the sales report is broken down by the customer's age. And you can see I have the customer age range right here as a slicer, and I can see the total amount of my revenue. So for example, this high bar, if I select it, that's the age of 39, I can see the revenue as 108,310. So just to kind of prove that out, let's come in and put in the slicer 39 here, and again I have that full amount. So I want to ask Q&A a question about showing me the revenue for age 39. So I'm going to just type in total sales because that's what I'm looking for, the field I'm looking for. It's actually a measure. And I could start typing in a lot of things, but I'm just going to say, I'm just going to say 4, and I'm going to put in 39. And if you do not see customer age in print with parentheses around it, I've trained mine so it knows I might be looking for that, then just enter the field name, customer age, with parentheses around it, and you'll see that it is indeed pulling up the right amount. Again, if I click there, you can see it's the same thing. Well, what if I want to get a range? Maybe I want to get sales for all of my customers that are in their 30s. So I'm just going to copy this, and at the beginning of this, I'm going to say is greater than 29, and then I'll do and then I'll say less than, paste that in, and this time I'm going to do 40. So I actually have this range of all of my sales for customers in this particular age group. So let's verify those numbers. So that's why I have my slicer here. So I'm going to say between 30 and 39, and you could see that the numbers are coming out to be the same. So that is a really cool way to use Q&A to come up with ranges of the data that's in there. Special thanks and a shout out to that Nashville chapter of the Modern Excel and Power BI user group and my friends Will and Michael. So together we did something really cool, and I hope you benefit from this. Also, check them out on Meetup, especially during this time where so many of all the meetings are being held remote. They're a pretty cool chapter.